All right, the time has come, my friends. We made mild to wild meatloaf meatballs using elk. Not deer, not buffalo. So we did what was it? 325 for 10 minutes. And because the meatballs are smaller, right, it doesn't need to cook as much or as long. And ooh, these look amazing. Now we put these on the air fryer cooking sheet or the base sheet because next we're gonna taste test compare on the vented to see what the difference is. And we already just cooked in there. That a bit hot? Oh, that's not too bad. We'd already done our meatloaf. And for those that I could have added a little bit more sauce, but I gotta tell you that char, I was thinking about what did it remind me of? Like for anybody that likes brownies, and like you like the brownie at the corner because it's got that little bit of crust, almost like sourdough. How sourdough, that exterior crust is just like just enough chewy, but still there's some soft. This char is incredible. Yeah, I could eat it all day. So we have our meatloaf one way. Ooh, that's still hot. Second way. So now we're gonna replicate. This is also just the first time like, oh, let's see what it's like. Now, what I do need to do is I get to take these meatballs and put them on a tray because I need that tray to be at the base of the air fryer so that it catches all the drippings, which there will be some. So, almost there. I really cannot wait to try these. Love, 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 love. All right, here we go. And I think, what did we do? 325 down to 10, down to 10. Oh. Okay, and let's have a little taste. Yes, it's hot. I'm so good though. Oh. Okay, remember, when you're cooking wild game, even if it's ground, even though this has no extra fat, you don't have to cook. Please do not, do not overcook it. Don't overkill it. Like, the flavor is amazing. Plus, we added all the seasonings. I wish you were here. Well, you are here right now. Oh, so good. And really, there's no difference between these and these. It's just kind of like, do you like it in a round? Do you like it in a square? Do you want to, I thought about making this, cutting that into like a loaf and then putting that like underneath an over easy egg tomorrow morning. Extra protein, right? Because an egg is about 6 grams of protein. And oh, I could look at the cook ratio. How much, yeah, I'll do that. How much this cooks down, because even though it's wild, it still cooks down, right? Oh, I am loving this experiment. I'm loving Meatloaf Week. So how would you do your mild to wild?